You boys are just loud. Loud and bratty. Yes, you need to go to your new homes. What are you doing? We had some friends come out from Indiana and visit us last week. They just left, so kind of sad, but I had to work the whole time, so that kind of stunk. But Derek was able to take them some places that we love to visit around here and go do some scenic sightseeing and all that good stuff. So hopefully they'll be back out in a few months and come and visit again, and I'll be able to take the time off of work. So I didn't get a lot of footage of them, unfortunately, but I was able to get Shannon. She is going to share a recipe with us, so I will show you guys that. It were these pineapple bacon wrapped, I don't know, they were delicious. So it's one of the many recipes that she made for us. She's a really great cook, so I'll share that with you guys. Shannon here is going to make us one of her really awesome recipes, so I'll show you guys what she does. Alright, go ahead.
Hey Mom, you want to pause the show?
Okay, I don't remember what these are called. Pineapple bacon awesomeness wrapped. Okay, so she takes a chunk of pineapple. She's measuring her bacon. And each piece of pineapple is going to get wrapped in bacon. And then she makes a sauce with sriracha, soy sauce, honey, and brown sugar. And she is going to drizzle it on top. Lovely.
17, Darren.
That is not no sissy bacon, you guys. Alright.
Are you?
Alright. So they're all wrapped in bacon. And now Shannon is going to make the sauce. So she doubled the batch. So that's 2 jars of pineapple, a really large amount of bacon. She's going to do a ½ a cup of brown sugar.
So in my defense, you weren't here.
A heaping?
I hope.
Perfect. Okay, I can't remember what she said. How much honey?
Same, half,
Okay, ½ a cup of honey.
because we're doubling it.
Because it's a double batch, guys. It's a lot of honey. Awesome. We're going to do 8 teaspoons of sriracha. 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 Three, 4, one count, 5,
6,
7, 8. And now soy sauce. 4?
4.
Yeah, 4 teaspoons.
1,
2, 3.
4.
I want to say that was more like 5 guys.
It can go over. I don't measure anything flat exact.
All right, stir it up. That is going to go on top of these bad boys. And then they get baked till the bacon is crispy, about 30 minutes or so.
Yeah, and I go just with how the bacon looks.
Let go, baby girl.
Usually longer than less time, so. Okay.
Awesome, here we go.
Baby doll.
Oh my goodness.
And I coat them all once, and then you can go back.
Those look lovely. Well, I don't want to wait, Emily, until they're cooked. What do you think?
No, I'd rather just eat the bacon.
We probably should, though, huh? Delicious. So, as far as the goats go, today has been 3 weeks, which means 21 days. Every one of them should have at least gone through their heat cycle. We have some more goats that were bred. Y'all know these girls were bred. Huh? What are you hollering about? Huh? What's your deal? You pipe it down, mister. What are you doing? What are you doing? You guys all smell like buck pee. You hush. Hi, sweet Shilly. Oh, girly girl. Oh, sweet girl. So, all bred. A little bit was bred. Dawn in there. She just hangs out in there all day. You boys are just loud. Loud and bratty. Yes, you need to go to your new homes. What are you doing? And in here, look, he's sure to come down. There's May. I do not, as of yesterday, this girl was not bred. She does not seem to be even going into heat. I don't understand. Do you understand? What are we gonna do with you? Huh? Let's see. You gonna show me your back end? Well, maybe she's got something. Let's see. Like I don't. Nope. Nothing. Whoa, that was crazy. So Elsa, in theory, she was bred 3 weeks ago. As soon as we put her in, she was in heat. So she should be going into heat right now unless she's bred. But she's not acting like she's in heat. And you, girl, we're gonna have to make other plans for you. This is why I don't like waiting to get them bred. You see how chunky she is? Had she been bred, she would not be chunky. And when they get chunky, it's harder to get them bred. So, I never wait till they're 2 years old. Let's see. She's kind of standing. And even flagging. Well, well. Alright then. She is awful flaggy today, isn't she? I don't know, guys. We'll have to see. He has not bred her yet, though. She'd be mucked up. She is not running from him, though. She just might be in heat. Look who is trapped in here. Buffy. Yep. She's this girl right here. We found where she got out, which was just a tiny hole on the other side. And who would have thought chickens can remember? But one of these little fence holes was just a little bit wider, and she would bloop right in and out as she pleased. So we got that figured out. Chickies. In Champ's pen, all of his ladies have been bred. Every one of them. You've been bred, huh, Sky? So it was Sky and Lacey we were waiting on in here. And Sky was bred a couple days ago. You're such a stinker. What are you doing, Bindi? What are you doing? So Sky has been bred. Hopefully we'll get a shilly doe out of her. And Mama Lacey, she has been bred also. So we'll see. I got about 3 more weeks in here or so, maybe a little longer. If nobody goes back into heat, we will start calculating dates. Ain't that right, Cammy? What do you think, Cammy? Okay, good talk. This little girl is trying to convince me to go back to the feed store and get the little kitty in the cage. My husband will kill me. I was supposed to go get hay. What do you think about it, Emily?
Yes.
It's worth your mother getting in trouble?
Yes.
Why? That's rude.
Okay, maybe not, but that cat needs me. Now,
But what about all your other cats?
I love them, okay? But we need to save his life, and then we can go home, and I'll take care of him, and I'll feed him and stuff. Yeah.
You're turning into a crazy cat lady.
I'm not a crazy cat lady.
You kind of are. What about the other kittens? We're gonna keep a kitten.
I'm already not too attached. For once.
That is not true.
Okay.
I don't know, guys. I don't know if it's worth getting in trouble, but I did feel sorry for him in that little cage. We got the cat. I'm at my gate, about to pull in. I'm probably gonna be in a lot of trouble.
It will be worth it.
It'll be worth it to you.
To you. Look at this adorable little
Oh, that's weird.
with this cute little orange kitty.
He's so scared.
I think we made a bond.
Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. So needless to say, the husband was not very pleased with me bringing the cat home. It didn't go over very well at first, but I think he's not going to make me sleep on the couch. I just felt really bad for the cat. And then we get the cat home. I take him out of the box, go to put him in the crate, because of course you have to acclimate the cat to the yard and the dogs and the cats. And the cat went ballistic on me. So he clawed me all up. All of a sudden I was not feeling so very sorry for the cat and wondering why I make the decisions I make sometimes. So I got the cat into the crate, barely. trying to hide it from the husband, which didn't work very well. He then saw the claw marks. But anyway, the cat's in the crate now, so we're just gonna have to slowly pet it. Today the cat's staying in the crate, so I took it from its little cage that I felt sorry for it in, and now I have it in a little cage at my house I feel sorry for it in. But here in a week it'll be normal, he'll know it's its home, and he'll be doing a lot better. So I'll show you guys the kitty. Just looks like a mean old mad kitty, huh? Poor kitty kitty. Give it a week. He'll be happy. He'll get his attention. Maybe you guys can help us name this cat. I'm thinking something like Savage. I don't know. But anyway, what do you guys think? What do you want to name him? Speaking of kitties, this is why I shouldn't have brought one home.
Oh, look at that one.
Which one's Rhonda?
Kitty wants this one to be Rhonda.
No, this one.
This one, the white tip.
It's the white-tailed one.
Oh, look! Look at that! Aww. I love them.
They're pretty darn cute, huh, Emily? Call you the crazy cat lady.
Oh, look at him.
What's going on, he says. What's going on right now?
You fluffer.
Just
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
kitten.
Oh, they're so cute.
Wait.
Oh my goodness. Too cute.
To resist.
Alright, we just checked. We're pretty sure this here is going to be Rhonda.
A boy. This one's a boy.
That's a little girl.
This one is a boy. The one with the white tip on the tail. Everyone else is a girl.
So we had fencing all the way around in the backyard. And Derek really wanted to open it up. So we took it all down. And we are going to use it somewhere else. So we took that fencing and we are going to put it around here, the garden. So, right here where that is up, we're going to have another garden bed right here as well. But we got that garden bed with things growing in it. These ones that we had. And we got this one, all planted with potatoes. So the garden is growing.
Experimental winter potatoes.
Experimental winter potatoes, yeah. So right here in this tree, we're going to have the fence go around. And through this tree, we're going to make some sort of gate. So it'll be really cool. So in between the tree will be our gate. Right, boys?
Derek.
Hopefully.
So that's Swiss chard, 2 rows.
Two rows of Swiss
2 rows
chard.
of kale,
And this is kale.
arugula, cilantro, 2 rows of carrots, cool rainbow colored kind, radishes, lettuce, 4 rows of our row lettuce that I like so much. And then over here is more potatoes, experimental winter variety.
Hoping we get a lot of potatoes. We shall see. What are you doing? What are you doing, Tinky? Taking a break from them babies? Heck yeah.